Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to the Travel, Tour and Dine channel, your ultimate guide to the world's most amazing destinations. I'm here to take you on an unforgettable journey through Kyrgyzstan, a hidden gem in Central Asia. Let's dive right into the top 5 must-do activities and dining spots in this stunning country. Number 5, Ala-Kul National Park. This breathtaking national park is a haven for hikers and nature lovers. With its majestic mountains and serene river valleys, it's a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. After an adventurous day of hiking, head over to Cafe Ala-Kul for a hearty meal of traditional Kyrgyz cuisine. Their beshbarmak is a must-try. Number 4, Burana Tower. Step into the past with a visit to this ancient minaret, a remnant of the Karakanid civilization. The panoramic views from the top are simply stunning. Once you've soaked in the history, make your way to Burana restaurant nearby. Their lamb kebabs are to die for. Number 3, Song-Kul Lake. Experience the nomadic lifestyle by the stunning Song-Kul Lake. You can stay in a traditional yurt and immerse yourself in the local culture. After a day of horseback riding and soaking in the scenery, enjoy a delicious meal at Yurt Camp's dining area. Freshly caught fish is their specialty. Number 2, Osh Bazaar. Get lost in the vibrant colors and bustling atmosphere of Osh Bazaar in Bishkek. From spices to souvenirs, this market has it all. Don't forget to grab a bite at Navat, a cafe right at the heart of the bazaar, known for its mouth-watering plov. And finally, the top spot. Number 1, Ala-Kul Lake. This massive alpine lake is a true wonder. Whether you're into water sports or just lounging by the beach, Ala-Kul has something for everyone. Cap off your day with a meal at Carven Four Seasons restaurant. Their fresh trout dishes are simply unbeatable. So there you have it, the top 5 activities and dining spots in Kyrgyzstan. I hope this video has inspired you to add this incredible destination to your travel bucket list. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and enables us to continue bringing you incredible travel content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure.